Good morning.
Morning from Bright.
It's 8 degrees, but the feel like temperature is 0.
So finally, after about a year, we have decided to go snowboarding.
Woohoo!
But if you have a look at the weather, wait for Jordan to turn it around. It's a very lovely day here in the high country. Perfect rain, lots of snow though, but for someone that hasn't been skiing or snowboarding before, it's going to be an interesting day.
We just got fitted for all of our stuff at a place in Harrietsville. There's no visibility up there, like you can't see anybody about a meter in front of you. And we've never been on a snowboard before, or properly in the snow. So this is going to be interesting. But we're staying in Bright. We're going to go and try and snowboard and see if we can stand up.
And see if we can deal with the cold weather.
So this may be just a video of us falling on our butt the whole day.
Yes, it will be. It will be. It won't. It's not an option. It will be.
He was not kidding about the visibility. We're not even at the top of the mountain, and it's so foggy and rainy. I'm going. Snow. Excited?
Oh yeah. I'm excited to drive in the snow.
We're stopped and we're putting our chains on, and by we I mean Hayden, who is diligently out there in the wind and the rain putting on the chains for us. So he's doing a fabulous job. The wind is insane, so we've got heaps of wind, heaps of rain. So before we came, we got an email from like the Mount Hotham people saying that they got 9 centimeters of snow, and if this is your first time coming to the snow, that they strongly advise that you reconsider. But we're from Queensland and we don't get to play in snow very often, so we're not going to reconsider. And worst comes to worst, if we're just going to sit there and build snowmans and have hot chocolate all day, it'll still be a nice day. I'm excited. Have a look at this wind. It is raging out there.
Hello.
It's windy.
So, snow chains are not fun to put on. I'd highly recommend getting someone else to do it. You end up being in the snow for a while.
I think it's been 20 minutes.
They're finicky, they're shit. It's like pumping up or letting air out of a tyre on a really hot day at the beach. It just sucks. But the other way around, so it's freezing. Anyway, I think they're on. I guess I think we'll find out, hey? Or I guess we'll find out.
Now we can go to the snow.
Now we can go to the snow.
We're officially driving on the snow, and it's snowing. We are literally driving in a white wall. You can't see anything. I feel like the phone picks up more than even my eyes can see. Oh hi, there's a car.
I feel like driving in the snow right now. I can't see anything.
Sorry. I just got snow in the car. Well, we can't show you outside. You can't see anything until it's right at your face. This is all snow getting pelted at the side of our car. I don't even know if you can see the wind because the snow is going through, but we've caught up to someone else so they can be in charge of where we're going.
Because I can't see.
It's just white.
Those poles, they're not there for show.
Yeah, it's not decoration.
Oh, sorry, there's no pole. There's a pole.
You can see in the camera there's a little bit of something, but when you're driving you can't.
This much in Australia. Don't mind me, I'm just like having a little meltdown. It's We do get storms like this. Well, they get storms like this quite often down here, or not quite often, but it's not every day that it's like this. It's very minimal at the best, and this is a perfect example of what a storm is like in the Alps. When they say limited visibility, they mean no visibility, not limited.
I missed Hayden's freak out before though, because he was going off about the fact that we could just pull up on the side of the road here to snowboard, because why would you need to go to the top of the mountain when there's, whoa, ski lifts. Do you see them? Oh god, I don't know if they're running.
No, probably not. I don't think all of them are going to be running today because it's too windy. You can't see the sign because it's covered in snow, but we're at Mount Hotham now.
Yay! Welcome to winter. Oops. Oh,
Jordan.
sorry.
Window up.
It snowed inside. That was not me.
Can't see it. Okay, go.
Oh, shit! So we figured out how to put one straw. We're doing it on this hill where everybody learns, and I think that's as far as we're going to get today. So, Hayden, do you want to go first?
Sure.
Yes! I think you have to clip your other foot in.
Ow.
Update, we have fallen about 10 times or more.
It's really hard.
I don't know how the heck I'm supposed to do this. How you going? Fancy? Say hi.
It's cold.
Woo! Yeah.
This is so hard, isn't it?
How do I stand up?
Stand up. It's going really well. What are you doing? Weirdo. She did it the wrong way. Oh my god.
The idea is that I just have to figure out how to go full send. I'm just gonna jump up
And deal with it.
and try.
Remember to swing your shoulders straight away, yeah? And then go that way.
I can't even get up.
Oh, you got a little. Oh, how's your head?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna get some speed. You're getting there.
Hayden is that little blob. Oh. hello. There we go. He's much better than I am. Come on. Yes. Yay, yay, stay. Oh, not bad. Oh, he's up again. Stay. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. He did a wipeout and he's up again. Oh, yes. Oh, no. It's okay. Good job. Here he goes. Yes. Look how good he is at getting up now. I feel this is... Oh, wipeout. Yes. Yeah. Oh, people are his way. Can you do it? He did it. Oh, my God. Good job. Yay.
What do you eat it?
Good job.
I can't see it. Oh yeah, you can see a little one now. Yep. Child.
We're done.
So
Look at the sky.
no, look at the village that you can't see.
It is so hard. My legs hurt. I hurt my tailbone and my wrist and my back. And I only stood up once. Hayden, on the other hand, we got lots of video of him. It's so snowy. Hang on.
I think you already saw that.
Jeez. Anyway, I think we're done for skiing or snowboarding.
Yeah, maybe try skiing next time. Much better.
I think it seems easier. A lot more people do it. Snow. We have finished our first day or our only day of snowboarding at Mount Hotham, and we are exhausted and covered in bruises.
Yeah, we didn't record all that much because we kept too busy falling over.
Yeah, we were experiencing it more than videoing it, but we were up there for about 6.5 hours. Hayden actually stood up and understood it by the end of it. I did
still
not.
fell over.
We're gonna go back and try again. Next year we'll try and do skiing. So, well, I will do skiing. Hayden can still do snowboarding.
I don't know. We'll see what happens. I might give skiing a go, but now we're gonna go get some dinner. It's not that cold down here. I think it's like 5 or 6 degrees. I mean, it is cold.
It was 1 degree with a feel like of what, -5?
Yeah, something like that. And the wind's nuts up there.
But surprisingly we weren't cold because we had so many layers on, so it was fine.
I'll keep posted for what we get for dinner, because I don't know what it is yet. We're kind of working that out right now.
Look at this. Your friend. It's an American style diner, and it has some really weird pictures. This is the current state of our room. Just drying everything from today. Can you see the rainbow this morning? Kind of. We can finally see what's around us because it's not foggy. We didn't end up going to that American restaurant that I showed you because it was all just burgers and chips and we didn't feel like eating more burgers and chips. So we walked through like 4 other places that only had outdoor seating, and it's freezing and raining, so we weren't going to sit outside, but we found a underground steak restaurant to go to.
It was called Sir Lion's Bar and Grill, just around the corner from here, literally about 5 meters.
Yeah. really nice. And the girls and they were asking about our day and what we did, and we told them about how bad we were at snowboarding, well, that I was at snowboarding, and she said that you need 3 consecutive days to practice and fall on your butt before you can sort of get the hang of it, and then you can start actually learning afterwards. So that's given us a lot more confidence, and I'm not going to give up.
And now we're going to go try and get some breakfast and actually see stuff, because every time we've been driving around Bright, it's been dark, so we haven't been able to see anything. And it's pretty. It's
still
pretty,
cloudy.
pretty around here. There's lots of mountains and everything, so it'd be nice to do a little bit more exploring before we head back to Melbourne.
We're going to drive the direction home, but knowing us, we're going to do a million detours. Follow along for every year when we go back and try and be better at snowboarding. We got about 4 minutes of sunlight before it went back to raining and cloudy, but we've decided to drive as close to Mount Buffalo as we can get without needing to put our chains on. It is very pretty around here, but we literally got 2 seconds down the road before it said can't drive past there unless you have chains.
And unfortunately, we returned our chains yesterday.
We did.
And there's no point of us buying chains because we do live, or we are from Queensland. So anyway, here's what it is.
It's beautiful anyway. Look, it would be nice to hike around here too, but it's freezing and raining. On to the next adventure. Oh yeah, this sign. Oh, can't see it. There you go. Look how beautiful the Victorian countryside is. Green grass, pretty hills, and a whole lot of rain. I love it.
Me too.
Huh?
Me too.
Yes. Just wait till we buy our farm. You'll all get sick of us. Look at all the cows. Hi, cows. We had to stop in Myrtlefoot because we've driven past this phoenix tree so many times. It's huge and so beautiful. Oh, I get it. Look at that. That's the phoenix. I thought it was just a pre-species. Here you go. Here's some information about it. You're welcome to pause to read it. One more tree before we continue. It is called the big tree.
Eucalyptus common something.
Yep, exactly what he said. I can't even get it all in. It is actually quite huge. Goodbye, tree. We've made it to Beechworth, and if you don't know, it's a not really a haunted town, but they market it as a bit of a haunted town because there's an asylum just down the road. But it's pretty cool, so we're going to get out and go for a walk and see what it's all about.
Yes.
Excellent.
Excellent.
I really hope the weather's like this when we come back to do our day trip, because this is spooky already.
So this is the place we were possibly going to stay at. I was contemplating booking it, but I decided not to for Jordan's sake.
Yeah, I'm not good with ghost stuff, and it's literally like asylum ghost tours.
Would have been an amazing area to stay.
No
Nice
thanks.
and picturesque.
Yes, picturesque, but scary. Especially right now with this weather. Oh my gosh. Cute tree. This building is beautiful, but apparently this is where the ghost tours are, so keep on driving, Hayden. It's a cool town. I'm excited to come back and actually have a look at it properly, but for now we're just going to go get coffee and then probably head back. We just stopped off at a town called Benalla, and we just had a morning tea, which was really delicious and very sweet. And it was a really cute little town, but we didn't explore much. But now we either could have gone straight back onto the highway or do a 30-minute detour through Shepparton. So we're doing a 30-minute detour, but I'm not sure if we'll get out, so this will probably be the end of the vlog.
Until next time, wherever that will be.
We will